Oh, what a day. So that didn't go to plan. Trying to execute the Stacey Burke trading the news um, just didn't pan out this time around. So we had a number of losses. This one over here, I need to take up the trading view. I entered and took me out straight away. Probably my bad. Um, I think I had my stop loss extremely, basically where the spread was for some reason. It happened so quickly. I didn't really see what the f happened. So who knows? But we'll just take that on the chin. And a series of losses. Now the thesis was all right. We had we had stocks gapping lower. They kept gapping, kept moving lower throughout the session. Um, The dollar was firm-ish. Oil was problematic. U.S. oil rallying. We had a strong unemployment rate for Canada as well, which was probably hurting us. Blah, 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 blah. So CAD. Yeah, on the 15-minute chart. So we were trying to get in several times. Stop hunt happened once, twice, three times. On the 1 minute chart, initially we were doing all right. We loaded up and got taken out at break even on one of the trades. And then we just kept getting chopped up in irrational market price action. The data was good. Um, there needs to be, what was it? Uh, 1 minute. Yeah, Fed Williams coming out, need to raise rates to around 4.5 over time, and the pace of rate hikes depend on data. Futures are pricing in at least 75 basis points for next month. So I'm not really sure why we didn't take off. And we had the stop hunts. We had plenty of micro W formations. Um, we had the pin bars that we wanted to see. So there was an entry up here, I think it was. Anyway, so just one of those days. Strategies do not work 100% of the time, 90% of the time. Losses are part of the game. On a positive note, we are 8R up in the first week. So that's pretty.
Here from President Biden on the tuning, it signals US is transitioning to steady growth.
Biden saying we are transitioning to steady growth in the US. Yeah, so the takeaways then would be, if it doesn't work first time around, do not try again, perhaps. Um, if his strategy is based on explosive price action, there was nothing explosive about the price action today, apart from the initial 15 minutes, but thereafter it was just all sideways, choppy, gooey, really uncomfortable trading. So there we go. But again, practice makes perfect, and this is not about picking up this strategy all in a matter of days. This is going to take months, and that's why we're giving this challenge 3 months up until the new year to see how we get on. But so far, so good. 8R up, no complaints. Have a good weekend.